Current conditions driving into Ghoster Coaster. Pretty windy. Well, we survived the drive-in through those treacherous winds. Now Liam and I are on our way to climb Ghoster Coaster, which is a 400-foot tall frozen waterfall here in the beautiful Canadian Rockies. 2 hours in, and we are just about at the start of our ice route. We should be coming into view any moment now. Oh yeah, here we are.
What's the time? 11:15, right on time, 2 hours.
Not bad. Okay, I think I might start up and I'll meet you up there.
Okay.
Nice one, bro. Okay, approach pitch complete. Now it looks like we're coming up on the first full pitch of Ghoster Coaster here.
Sick.
Super sick.
Here we go. Let's get him on.
Okay, good to go?
Alright, yeah. Where are we? Hand side down, con side up, locked.
P1. Let's go.
I don't think you can like simultaneously climb at two parties at the same time, you know?
I think it puts me a bit narrow for that.
I wonder if left or right is easier.
Looks thinner on your left.
Does look thinner, yeah. Heads up for ice. Yeah, it looks good. There's like a slightly more chill WI3 minus section. Actually, Liam, there is an anchor here. Okay. Yeah, sounds good. Okay, I'll keep going. This is beautiful. Should be good. Huh. Looks like somebody dropped an ice screw here. Nice. Woo! Okay, I'm secure, Liam. All right, we're at the anchor, so we're gonna put Liam on belay now. Okay, you're on belay. The best climbing snack, although I think it's gonna be kind of frozen. We'll see. Yeah, it's pretty frozen. Yeah!
That's
What?
lead, bro.
Thanks, dude.
That's fucking sick.
I found booty.
You found screws?
Yeah, check it out.
Someone whipped on it?
No, it was just sitting in the ice. Frozen solid.
Yeah, try to get the ice out of that.
Do you have your V-thread tool?
Yeah.
Dope. Okay, check it out. I think I got the ice out.
Ah, sick.
Let's see.
Yeah, we didn't want that to fucking freeze in there.
There we go. All right. Liam's just gonna send it up the next pitch here. That's me. Liam just led the third and final pitch, and he said it was super thin, so we'll see how this goes. Yeah, that's me. Ooh, no kidding. Look at that. Cool screw placement there. You can see the water flowing through. Well, there we are. Top of Ghoster Coaster. We've found a nice tree anchor. Well, I don't know if nice is a good word for it. It's a tree anchor. There's at least some new cord on here. This pink cord looks new. Even the green and red, they look pretty good. And one of the wrap rings goes through all three. So we are gonna trust this anchor and rappel all the way back down to the, I guess to the end of pitch 2, right?
Yeah. That's gonna be a weird rappel. Well, do we think we can like wrap down here, walk down climb that section? Or we just wanna like try to rappel the whole thing?
I think we just rappel the whole thing.
Okay.
Rope! Oh, we got a bit of a stuck rope situation, so Liam's up there sorting it out. And then we've got a rappel anchor here to head back down pitch 2 and 1. Okay, Liam got the rope sorted, and now we're gonna wrap down the next pitch here. Rope! All right, Liam, I am off rappel.